Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. I have been shopping and went to Flying Tiger today. Flying Tiger? I actually think it was called Paper Tiger. Maybe that was another time. Perhaps they renamed it. So I went in there, and in the past I've not been that impressed with their yarns. They still had the cake yarn that I find a little bit on the rough side. It reminds me a little bit of Karen. Some of their cakes that are not quite soft, and the Aldi ones. It reminds me of those, and I'm not actually keen on them. I like a nice soft yarn, so I've never really been that fussed. I do have a couple of Karen cakes up there which they sent me when I had a fault in one, and I've never used it. But I know I've been in the shop at sometimes and I've felt them and they've been lovely, but on other occasions they've got a roughness to them that I'm not really keen on. So I went in today and I was really pleasantly surprised because I managed to find these. Now these are velvet and they are just absolutely beautiful. So this is just called yarn. 120 grams, very sparse yarn bands, I have to say. You're lucky to actually find anything on it. Let's see what we can find. Share your creations at DIY Flying Tiger. So they want you to hang on a minute. 120 grams equals 110 meters. That's what it says there, 120 grams. What have we got over here? Anything? Just languages, really. That's it. But as you can see, it's kind of a chunky, and it's velvet. It's beautiful and soft. It's really lovely. So I got a few of this colour. Doesn't tell you what the colour is. It's a great deal on the yarn band. I tell you, it's very sparse. Got hashtag 117. So whether that is the colour, let's find another one. I got a couple of each. They didn't have that many, I have to say, of them. They're so soft. But pretty colours though. This is like a bluey, silvery blue. A bit darker than it looks on the camera. Going to fall off my lap in a sec. Where are we? Find it. Hashtag 117. So I guess that is the colour. So what else did we get? I think I've got another one. Yep, there we are. There's another one. Really nice. I was quite impressed actually. They had some t-shirt yarn in once before, which was extremely expensive. But this, the velvet yarn, was £2 per ball, I think. Let me see. Yep, £2 per skein. It's not bad at all. Actually, I got another one in that colour. I grabbed all they had so that I would have enough to make something. So I've got 4 in that colour. And then they had other colours, but these two were the ones that I liked. Now this one, look at those colours. Beautiful. What we got here? Hashtag 453. Obviously the same 110 meters because 120 grams. So I've got a few of those as well. 2. Oops. 3. 4. But look at those colours, isn't that lovely? Yeah, I think this one's coming a bit unravelled, so you can see, and it's started at a different point as well in the wind, so you can see all the different colours that are in there. I really like that. That's very nice. So then I saw they had some t-shirt yarn in. I'll just get this out because I'll get rid of the bag then. Stop it rustling like it is. That's it. Also bought these, and so these are t-shirt yarn and they're very tightly wound. This is solid, absolutely jam-packed and solid, kind of You wouldn't bend that. No way on this planet. So, 145 grams. It's called Stoff Garn. Stoff Garn? That's probably yarn. Stoff yarn. 145 grams fabric yarn. I'm looking for the hashtag. Is there one? I don't know. Can't see one. So this is saying it's asking for needles of 8 to 10. Doesn't say anything about crochet hook, so that's obviously t-shirt yarn's quite fat. 100 grams equals 20 meters. So we've got 145 grams. So we're supposed to do sums to figure out what we've got here. But there's this dusky pink, and I got a couple of those. But you can see just how tightly you can't even make that. You can't even squish it. It's just solid, completely solid. And then I got two of this really it's very dark grey. It's almost charcoal, really. It's darker than it looks because the light is shining on it a bit. Again, no hashtag, so just grey then. But this one, it's not coming undone, but you can see it's just like fabric that's kind of unruly, if you like. It's not tight, like some t-shirt yarns are really tight, but this is just kind of open. So that would be like a ribbon. That would be interesting to work with. So I just got a couple. And these four, they were, each skein was £1. And I was in a state of shock because I think the first time I ever bought any kind of t-shirt yarn from Flying Tiger, Paper Tiger, whatever it was called at the time, it cost me £4 per ball. And I was a bit disappointed. I bought black and pink at the time, and I made a basket that was oval shaped to put 3 toilet rolls in. The glamour of it all. Gemma has it now. I gave it to Gemma, my daughter-in-law. But I was just amazed that they were £1. So yeah, 4 at £1. Incredible, incredible value. So I'm not sure what I'm going to make with it, but I thought I'd get on and show you because I was quite intrigued to see it. And this is just so soft. Oh, I'm whistling. But it is just beautiful, beautiful yarn, really soft. Where's one that's got some hanging out? Here we go. This one. It looks nice and even as well. Very nice. Don't know what I should make. I was thinking of making a scarf with one of them. See how it comes out. Nice soft velvety scarf and hat, maybe for the winter. Don't know yet. Maybe. Shall think about it. Anyway, that's all there is, but I'm pleased with it. So cheap. I can't believe it, actually. They did have other yarn, but I wasn't that impressed with it. It was the cake yarn. And they also had some that was very, very rough. And it was thin. And I don't know what you'd do with it. Macrame, I guess, or something. I didn't buy that either. I didn't really have a use for it. I could have bought some just to show you, but it would have been a waste of money, really, because I wouldn't really have anything to do with it. I could have given it away, I suppose I could have. But it's rough, so I didn't really like to. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. And see you on the next one. Bye for now.